Hey, welcome back to the Windows 10 upgrade. So continue the upgrading process by clicking this Upgrade Now button. It will start downloading Windows 10. You already know that 3 GB of background downloading is involved in this operation. Once download is completed, you can start the upgrading or schedule it later to install. Look at the total size of download for this 32-bit operating system. It is 2.25 GB in size. Depends on your internet bandwidth. It may take 1 or more hours to complete the download. After downloading, Windows is preparing the system for installation. This process will also take few more time. Now accept Microsoft Software License Terms and Conditions. Your upgrade is ready to install. You have two options available: schedule it for later installation or start the upgrade now. I'm going to start it now. You will see the Windows 10 upgrade progress. In this step, do not turn off your computer. Windows will automatically shut down the system. After a restart, Upgrade Windows window will appear. It will be copying files, installing features and drivers, and will configure the settings. By this time, your PC will restart several times. Now sit back and relax. Windows will take care of everything. Now you can see the percentage of total upgrading progress. Currently it is copying the files. After copying files, it starts installing features and drivers. And then Windows will start configuring settings. I am going to pause the video until it completes the task 100%. It's getting ready now. Here we go. This is the Windows 10 welcome screen. Yes, we have made it. Click the next button. In this window, you can change your own settings by clicking Customize Settings link. But for now, I am going to use Express Settings. In the mid Cortana page, select Use Cortana button. This Cortana will be your personal digital assistant. Click Next and it will finalize the settings. So Microsoft will give you a message that you have upgraded your PC. All the personal files and data, application and setting will remain intact where you left. Hooray, we have just got Windows 10. This is the very first look of Windows 10. You see, I have Google Chrome and Internet Download Manager installed. Windows 10 will keep everything that you have in Windows 7. So this upgrade process is really amazing. I hope you can also complete your Windows upgrading process successfully. Enjoy the latest technology from Microsoft.